The 2025 Genesis GV80 continues to build on its reputation as a luxurious and performance-oriented SUV, offering a blend of sophisticated styling, premium comfort, and cutting-edge technology. As Genesis's flagship SUV, the GV80 is designed to compete with top-tier luxury brands, providing a refined driving experience with an emphasis on innovation, safety, and craftsmanship. Exterior design. The 2025 GV80 maintains Genesis's signature design language, featuring an updated crest-shaped grille, split LED headlamps, and a sleek coupe-like profile. The bold yet elegant lines give it a commanding road presence, while new wheel designs and refreshed color options enhance its visual appeal. The GV80's aerodynamically sculpted body ensures both style and efficiency, making it one of the most striking SUVs in its class. Interior. Inside, the GV80 continues to impress with its upscale materials, meticulous craftsmanship, and advanced technology. Premium leather upholstery, real wood trims, and a minimalist dashboard layout create a sophisticated ambiance. A massive OLED infotainment display integrates seamlessly with the digital instrument cluster, offering an intuitive user experience. Spacious seating, a high-end audio system, and customizable ambient lighting contribute to a luxurious and comfortable cabin. Performance. The 2025 GV80 offers a choice of powertrains, including a turbocharged 2.5L four-cylinder engine and an available 3.5L twin-turbo V6, both paired with an advanced all-wheel drive system. The refined suspension and precise steering deliver a smooth yet engaging ride, while adaptive drive modes allow for tailored performance. Whether cruising on the highway or navigating city streets, the GV80 provides a balance of power, efficiency, and dynamic handling. Safety features. Genesis has equipped the 2025 GV80 with a suite of advanced safety technologies, including an enhanced driver assistance system with adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, blind spot monitoring, and a 360-degree camera. The latest collision avoidance systems, along with robust structural integrity, ensure top-tier safety ratings. Additionally, the GV80 features an updated autonomous driving mode, enhancing convenience and security on long journeys. Market position. The GV80 firmly positions itself in the luxury midsize SUV segment, competing with established names like the BMW X5, Mercedes-Benz GLE, and Lexus RX. With a competitive price point, a generous list of standard features, and a strong focus on design and technology, the GV80 offers exceptional value for luxury SUV buyers. Its combination of performance, comfort, and innovation makes it a compelling choice for those looking for an alternative to traditional luxury brands. Conclusion. The 2025 Genesis GV80 is a testament to the brand's commitment to excellence, blending luxury, performance, and cutting-edge features into a well-rounded SUV. With its refined design, premium interior, and impressive safety credentials, the GV80 remains a strong contender in the competitive luxury SUV market, appealing to drivers seeking both sophistication and substance.